Alright folks, so we are looking at solving this two-step linear equation. 2x minus 3 equals 7. Now if we follow the order of operations that we need to do in order to solve a linear equation like this, we need to pay attention to the following. Right, so for one, do we have addition or subtraction? Because if we do, if we have addition or subtraction around our variable, we need to undo that first. We do have subtraction in this problem. So that's the first thing that we need to do, is we need to undo subtraction 3 or subtract 3. The opposite of subtracting is adding. Okay, so in order to undo subtraction 3, we need to do addition 3. Oops. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and add 3 to both sides, because in algebra, what you have to do to one side, you must do to the other. We got to be fair. So if we add 3 to the left, we better add 3 to the right. Adding 3 to the left, the minus 3 and the plus 3, once again, they undo each other. They make each other go away. And now all we have left is 2x. On the other side, 7 plus 3 is 10. Now, folks, my next step with these two-step equations, after addition or subtraction is taken care of, now we need to look for multiplication or division. In this problem, we have a multiply by 2. That 2 times x is 2x. We need to undo times 2, right? So we need to undo multiply 2. In order to undo multiply 2, we need to do the opposite of multiply 2, which in this case, the opposite of multiply 2 is divide 2. So if I divide 2 on the left, I better divide 2 on the right. Multiply 2 and divide 2 cancel. They undo each other. And because the 2's cancel, all I have left is x by itself, which is what I wanted. And on the other side, I have 10 divided by 2 is 5. 5 is my final answer. Final step, you should always check to make sure that you got the right answer. So I want to check x equals 5 to make sure that's right. Remember that the original equation is 2x minus 3 equals 7. Well, because x equals 5, I'm going to take out the x and put 5 in its place. So now that's 2 times 5 minus 3. Is that equal to 7? Well, let's find out. Order of operations, multiply comes before subtract, so 10. Right, that's what 2 times 5 is. So now I get 10 minus 3 equals 7. Is that true? And yes, indeed it is. 10 minus 3 is equal to 7. And so I get 7 equals 7.